Hi guys, what's up? My name is Lena and I'm just going to be recording my day. I'm gonna just go do yoga at the beach. I live in Long Beach and pretty much every day at 11, I think it's Monday through Friday at 11, yoga by the beach, and it's just really peaceful. I just feel really good about today. I feel motivated. I'm almost done with the bikini, but I just want to go and do yoga for a little bit. Okay, so let's go to the beach. So guys, I just came back from yoga and I also did a Postmate. Brief summary on the yoga, it just was super relaxing. The instructor today was like super passionate. Like one thing that he did say that like spoke to me was nothing is useless unless you throw it away. Take that however you guys want. I never really heard someone say that before, and I think that's very like real. Your body's not trash, your mind isn't trash, your ideas aren't trash. Ow. Only you can decide what's trash in your life, and yeah, it was real, you know. Yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do right now is I am going to make some bathing suits, cause that's what I'm trying to do, you know, and I gotta keep on to it. What I did in the morning, I put a rubber elastic and I made a strap, so I need to just make some more straps. And then I'm gonna make a top for it, and then I'm gonna take some pictures. This thing kind of like annoys me. I would like to get an industrial machine once everything takes off, but right now that's what I am using. So yeah, I use that for my serger, and then I use this one for top stitching. Bottoms. Okay, where's a good mirror? And I just made the top. I literally just finished it right now. My room is a mess. I finished the photo shoot like an hour ago, I think. I don't know, but I was editing my photos and just looking at the ones I took, and I only liked like 3 of them. So this is my Instagram. I want to take better photos and stuff, but you know, I gotta do what I have. So here it is. It's called the Noche Bikini Set, and those are the pictures I took. If you guys want to follow and support, it's inyourdreams.co. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I just been like editing, and then like, oh, I also added the pictures to my website too. So this is my website. It's super cute. Can't wait to actually get like good professional photos. Swimwear. And if you guys go on my website and use the code DREAMGIRL, you get 10% off your first order. So this is. So yeah, this is the new one that I just added. Obviously, I'm not good at taking pictures, okay? The Noche Bikini Set. Little story that I guess I have from my brand. It's handmade by me, and I'm also doing affordable pricing. My product isn't like cheap. Like I know some people probably be like, this isn't affordable, but like compared to like big sustainable ethical fashion stores, it is on the lower end side. because one, like, I'm a newbie. I know that not everything's gonna be like totally perfect. I'm definitely like improving like all the time. And yeah, one of the big things that I was having issues with when I switched from like fast fashion to like ethical fashion is the sustainable brands are super expensive. I was like, you know what, I need to make my own stuff. So that's what I decided to do. I don't want to speak too soon, but I'm going to be adding underwear to my website also. So yeah, that's gonna be coming soon, hopefully. I need to order everything. I need to order some fabric, and I found some good fabric, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm sorry I wasn't a really good vlogger. That is it for the video because I don't think I'm gonna do anything more interesting today. I should have got my eyebrows done. That's what I should have done. There is some exciting things happening and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys in another video in case y'all care, you know. But today was very productive. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'm sorry it was a little long. I just kind of want to document my journey. If you guys like this, if you guys want to support, please subscribe, follow my online shop at inyourdreams.co, and also follow me on Instagram as well if you guys want to stay connected or updated on my life. I just hope everyone's out there doing what they love and, you know, just grinding, even if it just feels like why am I doing this? I'm sure everything that we're doing right now, if it's like with love and if it's with integrity and determination, I think everything that we're doing is for something great and amazing, and I just can't wait to see that one day. I have got to go, so bye guys, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.